The world is changing, rapidly. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is no longer just a futuristic fantasy. It's here, it's real, and it's transforming industries at an unprecedented pace. From self-driving cars to personalized medicine, AI is poised to revolutionize our lives in ways we can only begin to imagine. But this revolution comes with a crucial question. Are we ready for the future of work in an AI-dominated world? This isn't about robots stealing our jobs, it's about understanding how AI is reshaping the very nature of work. It's about acknowledging the anxieties surrounding job displacement while also recognizing the immense opportunities that AI presents. This isn't science fiction, it's about adapting to a new reality where humans and AI collaborate to create a more efficient and productive future. The integration of AI into our workplaces is inevitable. The question is not if, but how we choose to embrace this change. Will we be swept away by the tide of technological advancement, or will we learn to ride the waves of change and harness the power of AI to create a more prosperous future for all? This essay explores the dual nature of AI as both a disruptor and an enabler, examining the challenges and opportunities it presents for the future of work. It's natural to feel a sense of unease when confronted with the unknown. The rapid advancement of AI has sparked widespread concern about job security, and for good reason. Automation, driven by AI, has the potential to displace workers in various sectors, from manufacturing to customer service. Repetitive and rule-based tasks, once performed by humans, are increasingly being taken over by machines that can perform them faster, more efficiently, and at a lower cost. The fear of job displacement is not unfounded. History has shown us that technological revolutions often lead to shifts in employment landscapes. The Industrial Revolution, while ultimately ushering in an era of unprecedented progress, also resulted in significant job displacement as machines replaced manual labor. Similarly, the rise of computers and the internet automated countless tasks, leading to concerns about job security. However, it's important to remember that technological advancements have also historically created new jobs and industries. The automobile, while displacing horse-drawn carriages, created a whole new industry around its production, maintenance, and use. The internet, while automating certain tasks, birthed countless new professions in fields like software development, digital marketing, and e-commerce. The key is to adapt and acquire the skills needed to thrive in this evolving landscape. And while it's true that AI will automate certain tasks and potentially displace some jobs, it's crucial to recognize its potential as an enabler. AI is not simply here to replace us, it's here to augment our capabilities and create new opportunities that we couldn't have imagined before. Think of AI as a powerful tool that can help us overcome limitations and achieve greater efficiency in various fields. Consider the healthcare industry, where AI is being used to analyze vast amounts of medical data to diagnose diseases earlier and with greater accuracy. This not only improves patient outcomes, but also frees up doctors to focus on more complex cases and provide more personalized care. Similarly, in finance, AI-powered algorithms are being used to detect fraud, manage risk, and provide personalized financial advice, allowing financial advisors to focus on building relationships and providing strategic guidance. The emergence of AI is also creating entirely new job categories. As AI systems become more sophisticated, we'll see a growing demand for professionals who can design, develop, implement, and maintain these systems. This includes roles like AI engineers, data scientists, machine learning specialists, and AI ethicists. These are just a few examples of the many exciting career paths that will emerge as AI continues to evolve. The rapid pace of technological change, particularly in the field of AI, presents a significant challenge: the skills gap. As AI transforms industries and creates new job roles, it also renders some existing skills obsolete. This means that individuals and institutions alike need to embrace the concept of lifelong learning to remain relevant in the future job market. Traditional education models focused on acquiring a fixed set of skills for a specific career path are no longer sufficient in an era of constant technological disruption. We need to move towards a model of continuous learning where individuals are encouraged to constantly update their skills and acquire new ones throughout their careers. This requires a shift in mindset from viewing education as a one-time event to seeing it as an ongoing process. Governments and educational institutions have a crucial role to play in facilitating this transition. They need to invest in programs that provide reskilling and upskilling opportunities for workers who are at risk of displacement or who are looking to transition into AI-related fields. This includes making education more accessible and affordable, promoting STEM education and fostering partnerships between educational institutions and businesses to ensure that curricula remain relevant to the evolving needs of the job market.